Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens and back cover on the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn up the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to hit gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cardboard tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the rear cover and then on the rear cover's front side, apply the heat to soften the camera lens glue. And then gently apply pressure from behind to take out the macro and main camera lens glasses. Next, slightly apply pressure from the front side to take out the camera lens module. For the repair, we suggest you to take the complete camera lens unit, which makes the repair more manageable and the part costs are relatively similar. Next, take the replacement camera lens and paste it on the rear cover by applying glue around the lens edges. In here, we add primary and macro lenses first on the frame, and then place the camera lens with the frame on the back cover. Ensure the lens is seated and placed securely, and then clean the glasses if needed. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the camera lens replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.